Welcome to the Lvyuan Filters showroom. With 16 years of experience in filtration technology, Lvyuan is a professional filter manufacturer providing one-stop filtration solutions to customers worldwide. Here, you can see Lvyuan's core product up close. This is Sintered metal filter, which utilizes multi-layer sintering process and possesses high strength, corrosion resistance, and precise micron-level filtration capabilities. It is suitable for industries such as chemical processing, gas purification, pharmaceuticals, and high-temperature applications. Our stainless steel cartridge filter housing is made of high-quality stainless steel, featuring a robust structure and high sanitary standards. It is widely used in food and beverage, water treatment, oil filtration, and other fields. Different specifications and connection methods can be customized, ensuring that every customer can find a suitable solution that meets their needs. Porous plastic filters offer an alternative for applications requiring lightweight and chemically resistant materials. With their stable structure and uniform flow rate, they can be used in a variety of applications, including bioprocessing, gas diffusion, and laboratory equipment. At Lvyuan, we focus on problem solving. Whether you need a specific pore size, flow rate, size, material, or pressure rating, we can provide personalized customization. From samples to mass production, our engineering team will provide full support to ensure your filtration system is perfectly suited to your application. Inside the Lvyuan Showroom, you'll find more than just a display. It's a concentrated showcase of technology, durability, and versatility. Your all-in-one sintered filter solution starts here.